Hello guys, welcome to City Money. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add any crypto network or blockchain to your MetaMask wallet. So if you're trying to perform any transaction on MetaMask and the network or the blockchain you want to carry out the transaction is not in your MetaMask, there's a way you can add it manually, which in this video I'll be using Monad testnet information to show you example of how to do it, guys. It's very simple. So for you to do that, once you have the network name, the chain ID, the currency symbol, the RPC, the block explorer of the blockchain, you're good to go. Just go to your MetaMask wallet. Once you go to your MetaMask wallet, look up on the top left corner, just tap on it. This section of your wallet, you'll be able to see other networks, other blockchain here, guys. So for you to add it, just look down, click on add a custom network. Then the information I showed you initially is what you're going to be inputting here. So the network name, we have Monad testnet. Then for the RPC, let me copy it and paste. Make sure you copy it. Don't go and type it manually so that you don't make any mistakes. So I'll just click here, copy link test. Then come back here and click add. Then paste it here. Make sure you paste it so that you don't make any mistake. Then I'll click on add. It will be added. Then the chain ID 101 Then the symbol is MON. MON. Then here, okay, here I say according to our record, the network name might not currently match this chain ID. So just tap it here. So they just suggested the name already for you. Just tap it here. It will be added. So that's it. Then for the block explorer, just go copy it. Make sure you're copying all this link. Don't go and type it manually so that you don't make mistake. Then copy link test. Then come here and paste it. So add block explorer, so just paste it. Then click on add. After you've added all this information like this, just go ahead and click on save. And once you do that, your network will be added. You can see currently it said Monad testnet was successfully added. If you go there again, click on here, this section where you see other networks. If you scroll down, you see that it has been added, Monad testnet. You can see it there. So if you want to remove any of this network, you see these three dots here, just tap on it. For example, I want to remove core blockchain mainnet. Just click here on these three dots. Then you can see delete. So let me look for another one. Okay, for example, this monad, if you want to delete it, you see delete, you see edit, you see delete. So whichever one you want to do, if you want to edit it or if you want to delete it, you can click there and delete it. So this is how to add or choose any network of your choice. It's simple as ABCD, guys. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how you can actually import any token of your choice to your wallet. How you can import it using the contract address, guys. So give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel for informations like this, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.